Hi, this is Scott. Welcome back to another Hollinger Team video blog. This topic of this video is the questions that get asked from both buyers and sellers that are saying, okay, what is the market doing? What areas are hotter than others? I mean, price-wise, as far as from a buyer, seller, and also from a seller's perspective. We put together a compilation, or we went back through the first 6 months, first half of the year, and compiled numbers that we thought were kind of interesting and kind of telling. So we just did a housing report, which was basically on, well, just houses, single family residence, I guess I should say. And it was kind of interesting if you see the chart that we created. The one thing that on the far right there, we did an absorption rate, which is usually a great measure of the rate at which things are selling or how fast things come on the market and then sell. And for example, if 100 homes are for sale and 50 sell in a year, then it would be a 2-year absorption rate for the entire 100 to sell. And so if we look at the different price ranges, we go anywhere from up to $500,000 in homes, our 4 months absorption rate, 129 for sale, 201 sold in the first 6 months. So, pretty robust, pretty strong. If you come on the market, you're going to sell pretty quick. And then we can see it tapers down as we get a little bit higher. And when we hit the $1 million mark and get above that, we see absorption rate in excess of a year and actually up to 2, and then even as higher price ranges into the 3-year absorption rate. So kind of grim numbers. If you're a seller and you're looking at this chart, maybe good news for buyers if they think that there might be some little bit more negotiability in those price ranges. The thing that I tell sellers is that if you look at these and you can adjust your price or initially set your price to fall into some of these stronger categories, it's probably a good idea so you aren't lingering for a while wondering why nothing's happening, and then later on go into those price ranges that have a little bit more opportunity to meet your expectations. Anyhow, I thought this would be interesting to look at and see how things have gone the first half of the year. We'll do another one of these at the end of the year so we can kind of do a comparison of how the two halves of the year compared and how they changed over time. Thanks a lot for viewing this video blog. Please subscribe. Feel free to comment and pass it on to your friends.